Are you ready?
Okay.
All right, let's go, cheese. What's up, everyone? Welcome to our channel. I am Frank, aka Dad, and this is
Jackson, aka Cheese.
And this is Dad and Cheese. Today's video is featuring our Porsche 911. Now, Jack and I love cars. I've bought a lot of cars over the last 5 years. I've had a Honda Accord, Acura RDX, Prius Prime, Tesla Model S, Toyota Yaris, a Chevy Volt, a Tesla Model 3, Porsche 911, and a Tesla Model X. So those are all of the cars that I've owned, some at the same time. Some of them I just trade in because I like to cycle cars. Now, this is a 2001 Porsche 911 Carrera. It's the 996 generation, and I already know what some of you are thinking, you Porsche enthusiasts. What is, Jack, Cheese, what is the number one complaint? Why are you near the groceries? All right, what's one of the complaints of the Porsche 911 996 gen?
The flat egghead.
The flat egghead?
Yeah.
It's the fried egg headlights, not the flathead. What? They call it the fried egg headlights, all right? I don't care about that. The second complaint is about the second gear pop out. That is real, and I had to deal with that, and I had to rebuild the transmission at a crazy price. And while they were doing that, I ended up having the IMS bearing replaced too, because that is the third thing that is prone to fail in this generation of 911. So all of those things have been addressed except for the fried egg headlights. You can't do anything about that, but I don't mind them. I think they look good. So anyway, let's check out the car. Now, we are going to go for a ride in a 911 because I need to head to my office in Philadelphia and do a virtual class because I am a music teacher and I own a business that does programs for kids, introducing them to music. So we're going to drive to my facility and we're going to go on the highway and we're going to open this thing up. Jack, you ready to go fast?
Yeah. And don't forget to subscribe to his other channel, Mr. Boom Boom's Music Room.
That's right. And if you have little kids, make sure you subscribe to my channel, Mr. Boom Boom's Music Room.
Right on.
All right, it's time to head to MPP, Music Play Patrol.
Drive fast. And here we go. 12 miles, 18 miles, 22 miles, 24 miles, 26 miles. Here it is. Going down the street. I'm going near my girlfriend's house.
Your girlfriend's house? Is that what you just said?
Yeah.
Wow.
Right there.
We're going near Cheese's girlfriend's house, apparently.
Okay. 56.
All right, so we're going to Philly to my office.
How fast can your Model X go?
My Model X? That's a good question. I'm not sure. I think it's definitely like around 120 at least, maybe 130.
At least 157,000 strikes.
Oh my God, that is the car that made me want to buy a Porsche. Mike Lowry, which is Will Smith in a movie, he had a, I believe, 1994 Porsche 911 Turbo. That was the last of the air-cooled 911 turbos, and it is one of the most rare cars, and it costs a ton of money. However, that movie and that car is what made me want to buy a Porsche.
It was Will Smith.
Who's Will Smith? Did you just say who's Will Smith?
Would you rather have a Honda Accord or would you have an ice cream truck?
Ice cream truck.
Yeah, because you get a car and you get ice cream too.
Of course.
But would you do it in the winter?
Yep. If I was an ice cream truck driver, I would drive my ice cream truck around all year round. Whether it was cold outside, hot outside. I love eating ice cream like no matter what. So
you're kidding. You don't.
I'm not kidding. It would be snowing outside and I would drive out with my ice cream truck and selling ice cream to people. I swear, I would. Are you ready?
Okay.
All right, let's go, cheese. If I was to buy a supercar, I think, yeah, I would go Ferrari, McLaren, Lambo.
But which model of Ferrari?
Probably the LaFerrari.
Ferrari. I would get that crazy.
Which one?
From Ferris Bueller.
Oh, the Ferrari California. That was what, a 90. That was a 63? 1963 Ferrari California?
No, that's a 1960s.
It was, I think it was 63 or 62.
Did you say 5
Yeah. All right, we're in the city. We're a couple minutes away from the office. How did you get your name, Cheese?
Because when I was a baby, I was crying, and you said something. You were like, Jack and Daddy Goose, and I was like, and then you.
That is not how you got the name, Cheese.
You know what's better than a cul-de-sac?
Well,
When it's cold in a sack.
all right, so my office is in Manioc. It is one of my favorite neighborhoods in the city of Philadelphia.
Secret location.
So, let's say good morning. Can you all say good morning, Mr. Lulu? All right, we're going to sing our whole song. I want you all to jump up and dance and let's have a good time, all right? Did you have fun at the office?
Yeah.
Cool. Enjoy that pizza.
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you Philly has the best pizza, dude. I am so furious. I'm furious at a few things. One, that I forgot to hit record when we left the office. And two, I'm furious that we didn't get that I'm cold because you insisted on putting the top down when it's 48 degrees. I am so cold! There's still nothing more fun than driving a Porsche. And I love my Tesla. I have loved my other cars, but this is my favorite car. This generation 911 is perfect for people that want to get into the Porsche like lifestyle. Like, it's a great entry level into it because it doesn't cost that much money. You can buy one of these for like $30,000-$40,000 depending on what condition it's in. I bought mine with 37,000 miles on it, and it's a 6-speed single owner. And so, like I said, to me, it's the perfect entry-level Porsche, especially if it's not your main car, which most people's Porsches aren't. At least their 911s aren't their main car. It's a perfect weekend car. Like I said, I want to get a turbo. I want to get a 4S. And I'm very fond of the new generation, the 992s. It's wider. People complain that it's a little bit too bigger and bulkier. I actually like that. I love the body, and I love the new interior as well. So I think if I was to get a regular, base model 911 again, I would probably get the new generation, the 992. And then for my turbo, I would get the 997 generation turbo.
First person's name of Porsche is Ferdinand.
Ferdinand Porsche was the person who founded Porsche, who actually started designing cars for what company? First, before he started Porsche? Volkswagen, very good. Ferdinand Porsche started Volkswagen. He has a very complicated history when it comes to that period in Germany. The Porsche brand, of course, has evolved from that period, and they make some of the best vehicles on the planet, and I am very happy to own one of them. Hey, look at all the cows on the field.
No, roll down the window. I want to smell.
Oh, it's gonna smell like cow poop. Oh my God, it smells so awful. And this is a really cool day. I had fun with you, Cheese. You have fun? Anyway, no. So what should we do next? Should we do a project with this car, or should we do the Model X?
Comment down below what we should do.
Perfect. Comment down below, because there's some projects that I want to do to this car, including doing something to the exhaust. I want to have a more powerful sounding exhaust. So that's one thing. And then I wanted to, because the color of the interior carpet is faded from the sun over the years, I wanted to do a thing where I dye the carpeting. So I don't know. I want to do a project that I want to show you guys. So we could do any of those videos next on the Porsche, or we could do a video on doing the chrome delete on the Model X. All right, we're pulling up to our house now. So let us know, write it in the comments. What do you think? And if you want to guess what our top speed was today, go ahead and type that into the comments as well. And the closest person will get pinned. You will get pinned. All right. I will see you next time on Dad and Cheese.
See ya.
Thanks for watching our video, and make sure you do what?
Subscribe and like the button.
Subscribe and like the butt. Subscribe and like.
I was about to say the button, but I said butt.
Make sure you hit the
like button and subscribe.
Hit the like and subscribe button. All right.
And if you do, we will pin you.
That is right. Make sure you write a comment about this video, and if you do, and if it's cool, and if you can guess the fastest speed we went in the car, and whoever's the closest, we will pin you. All right. We'll see you next video.